Good morning, my brother, sister. Good morning, my people. Good morning. Are you guys still sleeping? I'm here. So, there is something I have to do first. Okay, let me find this guy. Good morning, my people. Good morning, brothers and sisters. I love you. One love. My brothers and sisters, I'm very happy to talk to you guys, The new things they come up, my people. We'll change our topic. We'll not speak English again. We'll speak our language, plus broken. Now that one be our language. Now they hear us. Now, good morning, my brothers and sisters. I love you, people. Wait, I'm looking for something. No, I don't need to look for it. I have it in paper. I think they say our government say they're stubborn. Me, the day they born me, stubbornness for everywhere. My people, good morning. We'll change our topic. We'll start to speak broken. Now broken they hear, they don't listen correct English. No, other big grammar. Not be our language. So, my people, my lovely people, I love you people. Who is this? Good morning, sir. So, Helly, let me see. Good morning, beautiful people. So, Helly, okay, you don't want to talk? My Nigeria people, one love. One love, we better stairs. Our brother, they talk. My own now, one love, we share money. Money na everything. No more pretending. No pretend. Money be everything. If you don't get money, they don't give you. If you remain €1, now lie, or 1 cent, they will not give you. So, my brothers and sisters, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my people, my beautiful people. Hey, now good news we dey hear. We not hear bad news for our side. Now good news. But how them must share money. May they not change am. May they share 30 million from January. Anyway, they want to share am, concern us. If now they want share am, be say they want share am with 30,000 naira, but the money go be my name, 30 million naira. May they share am. My brothers and sisters, let's play music in any situation. Music. Good morning, my people. Good morning. I love you guys. They'll share them. See, people are full. Don't worry. I dey come. Mo fair play music. Don't worry. They'll share money. Mona wait. I want give you better music. My favorite music. Now I want give you so. Mona wait. They'll share them. Huh? Though they suffer. Their children, you carry. Where is my phone? Their children, you carry phone like this. See, don't sit down for yourself flat. Let me make day you will go, day you will river here. Don't worry. Nigeria government don't wake up. Will share them. Benin say in my language, the time we take wake up, now be money for our side. So now we wake up. Now be our money. Again, no ya yore or weird. May they know you change anything. Do share them. We must get our share. Let me play my beautiful music. Wait. My lovely music. Share money. Nigeria government. My own issue is share money. We now want war. We don't want war because now they kill soldiers. And that was still good for them. Because the soldiers, Nigeria government, may I tell now, power dey our hands. Una know that one. Una suppose respect us. We get power. Soldiers, army, una get power. And I don't know say power do na. Power dey Nigeria government. Our soldier hands. But the only problem is soldier. Una don't know say na children they grow for the society. Una don't know. My father soldier before, so. Wait, I want to play my favorite music. This is my favorite music. Listen and you will be blessed. Omo. Oh. Good morning, my people. Amosego. Oh. Nigeria government give us our share. Now so, picky before money. Oh. Ojo bia. Oji maya ihin abi. Well, I know. Ati we honegbe, my people. We cannot put our minds. Oh? Egya we negbe awa wano. Abi? Na so. Egya we negbe oh, my people. You know, today I don't repent. Make I not take too much of una time. Wait, my brothers and sisters, may I not take una time because no time today, no time. We'll play this music later. We'll get time to play music. Una fit even play about ourselves. My brothers and sisters, let me just go straight to the point. You understand? Yeah, I don't get time where I dey waste. You know, today I want repent. You know, they say, no, they go church. Now, no, they serve God. I want go church. Now, 3 church I want go today. So, my brothers and sisters, listen and you'll be blessed. Our Nigeria government, they want to change it by sharing 10,000. No. We don't need your 10,000 naira, please. We need 30 million for all our accounts. All Nigeria people need 30 million. Nigeria, my brothers and sisters from Nigeria, we have power. The soldiers where they kill, so they have a lot of power. They don't know at all. Police and soldier. Now when they all see normal person, they all raise their head. They all raise their head, begin to carry their head up and down. See, my brothers and sisters, mostly my brothers and sisters from Edo State, listen and you'll be blessed. I will call this thing 100 times today. So, we have oil. We have oil well. My good brothers, we go school where God go bless you now. Our way, God will bless you now. We have 62 oil well in Edo State, Benin City. Now there they bomb me. Nigeria government, Edo people, wake up. We are still sleeping. These people, their children is in abroad. They go school. They full here. If you want come and consider full here, not be everything at all. But if you don't set, we will not say that they here. They're full everywhere. So my brothers and sisters from Edo State, first of all, I will say this thing 100 times today so that Mona know say una get power to ask for una right. My brothers and sisters, so during the week after my last video, now some of my brothers converse. They can say, oh, waiting I talk, not true. They need their share. Nigeria, when I post this video, may meet them. May I by myself, they post and self. I'll take post and wait. You get where I'll put on. You go meet them. Huh? Some of our brother can't get off or sleep. Say, when I post this video, may meet them. Wait. Man, I want to do one with another computer first. Here, I want post it. Make it meet the government, Edo State government. Some of my brothers come let me know, say, Ijeme, Imafo, Edo, we get 62 oil well in Edo State. My brothers and sisters, 62, not be one, not be two, 62, total, my right again, 62. Total result, 62. 62. Yeah, gbe 62 now say 100 times. My brothers and sisters, mona le list yo, mona invite una friend, mona invite. If you know say you are from Edo State, you know me say you've come from Nigeria, say you know me say you know still here Ramo, all Nigeria na one. But our government won't share us because Biafra don't they go. I don't see say they don't even come out say next year they don't go. So our government won't share us, no problem. But my own state where they bomb me from Edo State, Benin City. So how they call you their name if we hear. Some of my brother last week they can't do verse say they can't know say that they suffer. May I drink small coffee. Wait. They can't know say that they suffer. They can't shout me. See, my phone can't catch fire. They can't they shout me. During the day, I don't sleep. So, my Edo people, so we do the suffer. The one where they die forever, they die. So we get 62 or year way for Edo State. So we don't know. Hey. So we don't know. As we don't know now, my people. I know say some they fear, they not fit talk. Me not they fear. Me anything can happen. I don't see waiting past death. I don't see everything for my life. So anybody will want to document me now, I know they fear. I'm doing it for the next generation. I know say when I don't put comma for una picky generation. My own generation, Mona not just worry. I know they fear. Mona wait. Nigeria government, I say share money. Mona share this video, I beg. My people, Mona share. I know what you are they talk about. Then some people, you know, like my senior brother, I say my enemy they crazy. I say may I give my life to Christ, but I'll go church today. Good morning, brother. I'll go church today, so may I forgive my life to Christ. I'll go to the church. I will give my hand. So my Edo people, I'll take all them Edo people here. Ologbo. If you not come for that village, Ologbo people. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. Ologbo people. Ologbo. 49 or year way. Na de Ologbo. They still they discover it never finish. Ologbo. Mona write down. Mona no say I obero. Mona see you now. Mona go on. Ologbo village. 49 or year way. Na de there. Let's still drink coffee first. So, my brothers and sisters, Obagie, who come for Obagie may give me love and like, as my brother they talk on. Obagie village, Obagie, I know that village, but if I say may I go now, no again. Obagie village, nah. Nah, oh yeah, way. Like the Obagie village. Ugoton. Na yo wa they hear that parable that time. Ugoton two. Na they there two. Hey, Nigeria government must share our money. Whether over my own time. Nigeria, even if it not be today, if it not be that January when I talk, but if it be one day, they go share them. Good morning, my beautiful brother. One day, I dey alive, I don't die. The next generation must enjoy for Nigeria. Move forget peace. Oba Yanto. Who is the people that come from Oba Yanto village? 2 or year way. The highest na Ologbo village na there. I be say I don't know my papa village. But I be like say na that Ologbo. I'll go call my papa sister who is senior my papa. You know where they for come. It be like say na that village Ologbo. Na my grandpapa for come build us for Sapmomba Road. It be like say na there for come. Because this Ologbo Ologbo village we get 49 or year where na our village. Nigeria government now share our money. We don't to suffer. That will take wake up now be this. Total result, let me call it. The total result 62 or year way in the only Edo State too. Data they not count their own. So that is to show that we get money. We get money pass now. We need small thing now collect people children. I dey come for now. We get money. See, my brothers and sisters, this country when I get this, so we are rich more than this country. Not be only oil we get soil, good soil. These people na cold food their place. They don't get good soil at all. Our country, our state, my papa backyard. If you eat my go throw it go generate by self. Not pour water. Now it go by self grow. See, we get many things. These people they don't get. Cause they do shi for ye. I don't speak good English. Norwegian people wanna take time. We get chief. We go fit ask una question. We get our Oba Bini. Oba talk be he say. I'll bring up one year one day. So my brothers and sisters, to show that we need our right, we need our money, we need our wealth. Nigeria government 30 million by January. No vote. I know they can pay for anybody because new person is coming here. We not change our problem. We have been suffering for decades. It's the truth. We don't suffer for decades. So, my brothers and sisters, you know, say we all not they speak the same language. Now make me they talking for broken. If not, now do I for your state talk this thing, me for your go enter their brain. Me therefore no say we don't wake up. We they sleep since. No way. We get money personal. We get money past these people. These people. Any small thing, I want to take your picking. Me, we get money personal. Me, I'll deal with una for this country. So that is to show that my brothers and sisters, we have to fight for our rights. Akugbe or a thing. So we have to come together. My brothers and sisters that is following me, that is giving me different information, God will bless you guys. God will bless us. We'll enjoy. We'll enjoy together. We'll throw away bottle. My brothers and sisters, good morning, Mommy Temi. Good morning, ma. Happy weekend. We did, Mommy Temi. We will enjoy our nature. Good morning, brother. My brother. My power. I been about Pikio. Sakmo borrowed now grow. So, my brothers and sisters, you know waiting. People will really know me where. Now be bra power. I fear no evil and I fear no bagger. Not be say how they fear because the day when they shoot go for New Benin side, I call peace 5 times. My friend driver say, you say na get Benin. I say no, na something bad we get na that side. Now I say we get not be this side, you know. Nobody will not fear anybody, but network. Why is my network shaking now? I want my data for phone. Mona wait to. I want on my data because my network is shaking. Wait, So my Nigerian people, not be say they not they fear anybody. We they fear sometimes, but this one our right. Now our right My people will just they come so I want call like gay. Mona door open a ear. If you know my grandpapa now look before come. Na something about go build that put the original logbo okere. Logbo 49 year way. God go bless my brothers where they give me information. Obagye. If you know you are from Obagye village, 9 year way now na get. Now start to make call, start to verify. Start to check. Because now me and you now go fight this corruption. If you just sit down like this, say, Nigerian government, people are dying. They don't care because not be their own they die. Now the poor people, now the truth. Now the poor people who now they die. So more not just they talk, just they fool ourselves. No. They are fooling us. They are fooling themselves. We are fooling ourselves also by talking. No. Let's go to the right decision. Let's move. Just carry name. Mo shukan. Bye. Now this one we want. Mo na see what go happen. Not 2 years. Mo na pole 2 years. But mo na ask for na right. Una pole 2 years. Mo na see what go happen. These people, Ologbo village. Na my grandpapa for come. 49 year way. Anybody that come for Ologbo, you have to ask. Good morning, my brothers and sisters. I love you. But this one, a money issue we dey talk about here. Ologbo village, 49 Oyewe. Me, Mona share this video, may meet our government. Because they hear am. They feel say they all dey hear am. Me I first drink coffee. Na coffee I dey drink. Mona share am. They go hear am. They go hear what? Before 2 years, now see as our place go change. If you are my brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, like some people they call them. My brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, we are from Edo State. We have many Oyewe. Total is 62. My people, Yoruba people, some of Yoruba people not be all. They say my enemy lost knowledge. We know they talk about knowledge again. We are talking about our head, the head of our people. Our people are not living where. My people where they Africa, where they Europe. We know what is it. We know what it is. They are not living where. So I'll call them this 100 times today. Now this one be my subject. This is my subject. Oh, I go talking for English. I'll talking for Bini because na Bini I dey speak. Ologbo village. 49 Oyewe. If you know you are from Ologbo. My grandpapa na from Ologbo. I be not know my grandpapa village before now. Ologbo for come. I will call my past sister today. May I ask her? Obadie village. Okay. Boro. I don't know. May I not cut my tongue. For na Oyewe. Na. He no way jam. My face or what? Oh, I don't know what for, but I dey call for now. Orohe tu Oyewe. Orohe no. Urohe tu Oyewe tu. Me I call her today. 100 times me I call this thing. Obayato tu Oyewe. Total together 62. I'll call her again. My people, we just they come. Mona that time down. So my brothers and sisters, that is to tell you, say, before if they ask me where is your father's from in Edo State, I don't know our village, but our village now is now Ologbo. Hey, I'll go find that village. I'll also go Nigeria. I'll go out double cross. Hey, 49 Oyewe. Jesus. Oh no way down. Now not rich. Now we get money pass now. Now y'all na peace from today. You people are in soup in my hand. So, but una good sha because I go free school here and they pay is a good thing. Una good sha, but that one when they collect our thing. So that one only so we dey come for that one another day. My brothers and sisters, good morning. My name is Uwa Sophia Obaze. I'm telling the Nigeria government to give us 30 million. We will start from there. Mostly we that from Edo and Delta. We need our share by giving us 30 million naira each by January. If not, there will not be vote. They have to sign it. If you people don't want to give us cash, put it in our name in a World Bank account. That is what I'm asking for. I'm asking for our wealth. It's our own. It's not for one person. It's not for two. I can't decide for everybody. But my own issue is to share our money. Yes. My Edo people, I'm talking to my own Edo people today. My Delta people, my Delta brothers and sisters. If you know how many years where you people have, come and inbox me. Inbox me, oh. This one. Now tough issue with this, so inbox me. Thank you, my people. This where we get so Mona take barrel and paper. No see say I will barrel. Okay, don't they use barrel again? Mona carry now another phone. Mona start to calculate how much is one barrel today. No, Mona calculate how much was one barrel from 1979. And at that time they say spoil power. From 1979, come reach today, how much is one barrel? So therefore, we need our 30 million by January before vote. No vote, not be loud. Our people, muna wake up, muna share this video. More people wey dey Nigeria, me see am. Because they must see am, because at the end be our problem. We don't, our eye don't open. We don't dey see many things wey Igbo dey do with their own wealth, with their own oil resources. You understand? My brothers and sisters, muna no worry. No, then I'll show now. Man, man. Thank God say I call this control. No, me, I go deal with Nigerian government. Now me, see, man, show na something. I beg. I told na see oil. See this one na oil. Una see am. Una see am. Una see their oil platform. Where our own? Una see am. Do you guys see it? So, Nigeria government share our money for us. We need it. We need our money, our share. So, thank God that I'm here. I know what they are doing with money. So, number one, low. You might say, you may even go to here, my people. Low. But no. Obayanto. Obayanto 49. As I be read down, I go read down first and read down. 49. If you know you are from Obayanto, get up and do check. Cross check. Number 2. Obagie na oye way. I'll call and reach 100 times. So now this one be my topic today. Another topic no concern me. Our soldier they kill them. Our soldier is a fool. I know say my papa na soldier. Some of our soldier army and police they are fool. Which government they are so rock? Where 1,000 soldier and police march go and so rock. Carry gun face there. Buhari will talk true. They fool themselves. How they talk? Me, they talk about Shemon. Mona Shana go reach them. They must hear them. Number 3, Uruhe, 2 oyewe. Obanyato, 2. Total 62. Edo people. Mo get up. You don't do. Enough is enough. Our people will die for these past 5 years for Mediterranean Sea, Not be here, They are all not dey side, The government will not decide. Secondly, our people where they prison, not be here. They not fit count am. Go and see them. They are not living well. So that will be number 2 issue where I'll talk. My brothers and sisters, I drink coffee. My brothers and sisters, number 2 issue where I want to talk about. You know, our people, some of them not still good though, but don't get good heart. Don't get. You can't change it. You always try to change, but you not fit. But that is to show is that I know the English more than Malaysian. I know, they say Yoruba people, some of them not be always. They say they lost knowledge, not be me. They lost knowledge. They don't know say not be Buhari did here. Now all of them come out, they talk. Blah, blah, blah. Me, how they join lie, they talk true. The truth is true. All true is always true. How they talk lie. So my brothers and sisters, I first when Mario TV that time, I first thought say more of us donate. We were there abroad. More bring to 250,000 naira. More carry and come out. More to post supermarket. I call some reliable source. They say no, work no light, security not there. I understand. When they explain, so I now still get their view, say, okay, no work, I can't rest. Our Nigeria people, some of them, mostly Edo people, make them change their mind. Another way again, now, I can say, okay, mo will donate 10 euro. If not 10 euro is okay. Mo donate, if all of us who are abroad donate, mo go help government, since they say they're deaf. Meet government say this prison our people innocent people na dey other many say bad thing not good, but not be all of them be bad people. Some people still come out, they still call me Wow, you cannot do it. It's government that will do it. It's a government job. Come, my brothers and sisters. Me, una think say I be doom. I not be fool. I know say that job is a government job. Even if you get all the money where they the world, you cannot do it until you form your government. I know that. I not be fool now. But that this one make us dey down when we don't know it dey happen for the government. But you have to push your government. You people see France now, they just add to their fuel. They add to their fuel. France, they start to demonstrate, they start to spoil things. Because they put money drain their fuel, they start to demonstrate, they start to spoil things. People answer up, make they shoot them. You understand? But Nigeria people, it not go work. You are not the government. If you not ask government not send you. You don't know whether they exist. Now the truth. You not ask, you don't send you. If you not tell government say na so you want time, they not send you. If you not complain, they will not do it. It's the truth. More they tell ourselves the truth. If person just talk, the one way they just say they be educated one because me not the educate. So they'll just start. He don't do. I know so now go school where we not be lie. I know. Me not be who not go school. I go. He get one of my brother where they room. He goes, if I say I not go school, he say may I use my 2 hand cover my mouth. Say whether I don't they carry bag, they go secondary school that time. But our Nigeria people, our Nigeria school, not be everybody will go school. Some people they go university, they can't write their name. That one they move rest. So my brothers and sister, my 2 project today is all of us to donate 10 euro. I mean, I'm still saying it. All of us for Europe. More donate 10 euro. If we donate, I'm more than not give my only people money. Take it, we go talk to the people is closer to the government. They will go and meet the government. They will come and, if you want to do something, it's not the day you say you want to do it, that day will work. It's the truth. Those people, they'll go meet the government. In those days, we get a judge, we get lawyer, we get many people taught up there. But me, I know many people. I get top people, but I don't send them because they don't send my pa when my pa dey prison or when my pa dey suffer. They don't send them. So why will I send them? I don't call them. I don't do anything with them. I don't have anything to do. I just send my life. Yes, they don't send my father. That is it. Your husband, not be Obaze be my husband. I'm not want to change my partner. Be that they change my partner. Even though I married a dope person today, I will answer my partner. I have my own right to decide if Obaze I want to answer or this is Western world. Forget me, my brother. My husband's surname is a Norwegian surname. It's not Obaze. So I'm answer your question now. So my brothers and sisters, if I go church today, my brother, my senior brother, I say I be unbeliever, I want to repent, I'll go to the church. I'll go. No worry. I'll go to the church. So, my brothers and sisters, if we not push government, mona rest. Government, they not send now. Their children, they here, they London. It's cool. No rest. No, they come, they talk. If person bring solution or you want more will do this, not good. What is good? Nigeria people, me I want ask you now. Mostly Edo people. What is good for where on day? You have to start something before you can get it. You cannot just get up say this thing I want to get. That is why there is fraud everywhere. There is kidnapper. There is 419. They use their span now till they find money. Use women, they'll sleep with women. The women go they'll use the women womb to do money. You see, that is why there is fraud everywhere. You cannot just plan something today. You feel say you reap. No, we have to change our mentality, our system. So my brothers and sisters, sometimes what I dey talk, sometimes still good. I not good finish. Nobody be 100%. Anybody who is too honest, you run for that person. So that being said, My brothers and sisters, we have to donate 10 euro. We all in abroad, we all Edo people. We have to. And then we contact our people back home. They will do it. They will do nothing. They will not do. They will meet the our monoba talk. They will meet the government. They will talk. Because if you say me will look at the poor people, they suffer. Now the poor people they suffer is the truth. The big men pikin, how many big men pikin now don't see say they arrest? Say na so na thief na this. Anybody you see that is a thief or is a criminal or is a former is a poor people. So what are we saying? It's the poor people. My brother and sister, now where they call our women name. Well, that one will be another, but I will talk small thing. See, you marry your wife, you get wife for house. You they call another person wa shower. Mona take time. Every day, no baby, everybody. They call where they'll call resort. I might resort. Okay. Call people wife or people guests, our guests. Ashawo. Enough is enough. Mona arrest for the issue. Mona arrest for the matter. They never call result. The day when they'll call na result, it go be like fee for na so. That is why we have to respect one another. The day when they'll call some people, some boys, some of our boys. If you want to marry a two wife, you go ahead and do that. Nobody hold you. But it doesn't warrant you to call us names. No. That is why I'm so very hungry. I don't want to do this Facebook issue, but I want to do it because of what I passed through for my life. I used to tell some of my friends, if you pass what I passed through, you will die. Not be lie. You will die. Forget it. May I answer this, my brother, with the chat with me. Thank you, my brother. So, if you pass through waiting I pass through, my friends, I tell my friends, some of my friends, I say, if you pass through waiting I pass through, you'll die. Not go there. I get mad. But that mad. I don't use and do bad thing, but I use and do good thing. But now when you hurt me, I will hurt you back. You know, say they pay. Because now this life every day, now fire day. Because if we die now, nobody know where they go. That's the truth. So, my brothers and sisters, that being said, this coffee is sweet. May I lock up, may I for something they drown. So, my brothers and sisters, see, that being said, we have to come together, and I'm starting it now. So, I don't know how many of us did this platform. We were there Europe first too. Because Africa people, if you anything money, if you just dey talk and say, hey, I no get to. Nobody get money for Nigeria. Nobody. You see, we still have a long way to go. Never talk and finish. I beg, you be borrow me 2,000 when you're using. Hey, I no get. So, you see, my brothers and sisters, we know abroad suffer day, even in this cold, we dey suffer, we know, the cold not easy, we know. But we have to help our people. It's the truth, the big truth. All of us now, we did this platform. I use Almighty God, Joshua, Tebeguna. Because that the free say not be Jesus, I say not Joshua. I use Almighty God, Joshua, Tebeguna. I use my papa and my mama, we don't die. They rest peacefully. I use their spirit, Tebeguna. Me I dey beg, I know they force, because money not easy. Anybody wey want use force take my money, I will still use force collect am back. Now so me take dey do my own. So that being said, my own brothers and sisters that is looking at me now, I beg 10 euro. 10 euro to go and fix our prison. I know what I'm talking about. You know, some people say, no concern me. My brother not dead here. My papa not dead here. My man no concern me. You know, some go say, we all of us they abroad. What it concern me if Nigeria problem. My brothers and sisters, not pray me you get problem. If you enter Nigeria, people out there, why you? So we don't need to shout. You know, we need to action. We need to do something. Man, people, I know say that job na government job, but we'll do our part. Then we'll come hold the ransom. I don't mean having a movie. So that is it. We'll do our part. They will not come and hold the government. We must do this thing. When 1,000 people come and say, this prison must be changed, we know say they do well for Nigeria. Our people too bad, we know. But we have to change certain things in that country so that things will be fine. It's the truth. Things will be fine. This thing, the prison here is like hotel. They run for the prison. They are still running for it. Because there is fun in their outside world. There is fun. Nobody want to do prison. If you talk to Ibona and say, mo just do so business. Say, no, don't call me on it. You understand? They don't want problem. They know their law. Our law, we start it from prison. See, my brothers and sisters, the people that say, you know, concern me, my person not dead here, me they dead here, even though they died here. Listen, my brothers and sisters, those prisoners, good morning, women. Call women. Close the door for me. So, you know, these prisoners now, if they leave them, already they don't sick inside there, they don't carry sickness inside there. If they come out, they will not come and pollute the sickness. You understand? They will pollute it and people outside will collect from it. It's the truth. But if the environment is clean and neat inside there, before they are sick, it go hard though. It go hard. You understand? Because they will fix the toilet, their water system will be running, their boil, everything. They will not sleep on the floor. They will buy mattress for them to sleep. You know, everywhere will be good. People, wanna share this video. I want call our Oyewe again because I told her say I go call this Oyewe 100 times. Ologbo share the user sing. My brothers and sister, Ologbo. Now my grandpapa for come. I never see anything. I don't know my grandpapa village before, but I don't know say now Ologbo. Now if for come. Ologbo. 49 Oyewe. Pass mark. That city rich. Be like say I'll go buy one land there. May I build my house. May I go build small house there. Hey, he rich That being said, number 2, Obagye. Jesus. Obagye no Obagye na Oyewe. Hey, these 2 cities, these 2 villages, I'll go and buy land there and build small house there. Hey. Number 3. Uruhon. Uruhon. My people, mona look whether I correct or may I call her for now whether I correct. If you correct, mona press love and like as my brother they talk. URO HO. Uruhon na. Yeah, Uruhon 2. I'll find this village. All this village, I'll find them. I'll go Nigeria, I'll go find mona, no worry. This is my next assignment. I'll plan for it. But not be now, but I'll plan for it. Uruhon, hey, 2 Oyewe. Obanyato, 2. Totally is now 62 Oyewe. Mona share this video. My brothers and sisters, Mona fear. We need our share. No vote. No vote. They want change that. When we say Buhari no be Buhari, they want change that one. So now we are not talking about Buhari anymore. We are talking about our words. We need our money. Uruhon, I will go and find this village. No. Number 1, Ologbo. Ologbo is the first village I will go. I will go and find this one. If you know you are from Ologbo, my brothers and sisters, Ologbo village, 49 Oyewe. Una know how much be better. Now where all your dog come down now is 36 per barrel. $36 per barrel. Who is there? Can I help you, baby? 36. Hey. Can I help you? Want me, Tanya? Want milk? Milk? Hey, yeah, me. Oh, my brothers and sister. 1 minute. My friend Bobo say he need milk. Milk. Hey, where's the milk? Wait, go and meet Tanya. I'll bring it. Okay? I'll bring it over. Hey. I'm coming here. 1 minute. So, my sweet brothers and sisters, now see say we too rich. We rich past these people. I can't do any here. I keep quiet too. We not get joy now. Now spoil our country. Now I can't use and repair our country. I can't say the key now. They love themselves. The key. Do you know why I said Nigeria government share money? Our people no good. We not love ourselves. That's the truth. Now where some people cover for Buhari say, make they go bring person like Buhari. Now, they don't hear say Buhari not dead there girl. People they come out. Let's leave that talk. We have to fight for next year. Nothing say go solve Nigeria problem. It will not solve our problem, our issue. What will solve our problem is money. The money is not going round. We need to have our own. The money need to circularize. As our brother they talk am, e need to go round. Our people need to live well. Nigeria government, if una wan carry Buhari, if una wan carry Abuja, una carry, no problem. We dey our own, we dey our Edo state. Yoruba, they get Morocco. We get Morocco, Ekwale get Morocco. There is one of my sister, his father was a Morocco planter. His father was from Ekwale. His father, they plant Morocco. They plant am well. So, my brothers and sisters, if they want carry Abuja, may they carry. Edo State get 62 oil well. Mo take barrel and paper. Today, oil come down. Last 2004, before 2014, they say oil price was $150. But today it's now $36. We not get school, all of us know. I dey come abeg 1 minute. We not get school, we not get house, we not get road. So make they all share the money, make all of us go our own direction. If we want to join the country, we join. If you don't want to join, we do our own thing. So let me close this door. I don't need disturbance today. So my brothers and sisters, mona no vex I waste una time. Mona vex time and money. So my brothers and sisters, may I not forget. My grandpapa come for Ologbo. Ologbo, na my papa village dey. I want to go and check history. So they get 49 oil well. My brother, God go bless you. My uncle way, God go bless you. Mona share this video. No. You get one website where be Nigeria government home. Later, if I don't finish, I'll put it here. Nothing said all this here. I'll put it there. Bah, they'll go listing. So if they list it, don't know say these people they don't wake up. We don't they wake up. Again, now you're real here. That way you take wake up, now be money. This time now our money, our children no fit suffer. People might be saying my children is not there, but my friends' children are there, my cousins' children are there. My niece children, they are there. So we have to fight for them because they can't fight for themselves. If they talk, they'll go lock them. That Yoruba woman will slap Oshomole, will get NEPA. That woman, if you see her, I will be past her, you twin. It's small. But he get power. Hey! The woman, he get power. The hotel where they sleep, if you dey Benin, I think they call this hotel. The hotel na Omonoba son I get am. Oh, I know the hotel. West, not be West. My brothers and sisters, I'll find the information another day. You understand? That woman, if you see her, he may check it. He get power because he get money. Share money, my brother. Go share. My brother, you just dey come. Wait. Mesh. The oil way, our oil way, Edo State oil way, all of Edo State oil way. Ologbo. 49 oil way, right hand down. Obagie na oil way, right hand down. Urohe village o. 2 oil way, right hand. You say money. Wait, money don't share am, my brother. This one they bust my head. I no sleep since when they give me this information. How they sleep again? Me wait like sleep. Before 6 don't I don't wake up. My brother, see. Obanya to 2 oil way. Total is 62. We can't hear. No way jam do your man we wa. Plus 9, don't feel call on be the plus 9 now. See, me I call again, me I repeat am. Ologbo 49. Obagie 9. Oruhe 2. Obanyato 2. Jesus. Mona that how. Total 62. Total, I don't calculate on 6. Calculate on per barrel. My brother, calculate on. Our people, they die for river. This past 5 years, you know how many souls don't scatter for that river. Even innocent children die. That is the reason we have to get up. If you cannot just come out for live video, give me to. No, oh yeah, block. Thank you, my brother. Oh, bless you now. We will do it together. Oh, they no get choice. We might work. We will work together. Me, and nobody where I no fit work with. But sometimes I know they there so. My South Mobile people they know me. Maybe so they look me. Sometimes my head not the there. Sometimes my head they correct, but we'll work together. I correct, not correct. We'll work together because 62 together. Hey. 62. 1 barrel today. 1 barrel is $36. Calculate time. Money we know they see. Money. That make me say I just bring one plan. Move first just go build our prison. Move first go help the first. Those people in the prison. Makayari yo boneni. Move first go help them. Because if we help those ones who in the prison, we can't say okay. Those ones don't they. People in the prison, they don't eat well. They eat food where they give dog. They are human being like me and you. The many say they don't do one crime. So, see, wait, my brother. I love AC. I love Oshowore. I know it. My brother. Una way they outside. Una know they see wetin dey happen for inside. Una no know the game. Me, I dey here, but I dey see the game. Una no know. ASC go enter na. February go come. Shey dey do election. Oshowore win go enter. Me, I no dey that one, my brother. I no dey that one o. The one wey me just dey na to share money now. Me, I no dey that one na to share am. Even though it take them 2 years, this our money. they'll tell us how they'll take share am. We'll build that. Nigeria not be one person, we'll build that together. My brother, this one what would they say? AAC. Now person found that place. Individual now with the look. We not look one person. Me, I don't look person. Me, I tell you, I they work with these people. These people, if meeting day, everybody sit down for table. You know, no be chef. If everybody they break their idea, you not talk your own, you are in trouble. Before you go that meeting, you have to say something. They will ask you question. What is your own opinion? What is your own thought in this issue where would they talk about? No. Say show. Only show where not fit one. My brother, may I ask you one question? I know where to show worry. Why show worry? No, all what they do now. If you don't start and since they fight them since. If you don't start and since. Our Nigeria not corrupt like this, oh. My people, shame on you. I don't get choice. They'll share down. They're not share down now. See what it go happen before 1 year. Mona rest. Me out they here, they say share money. When we dey on ground, we'll still say share money. We need that. Now our own. They are not doing anything for us. They are not doing. Before show where they go come, before it go come gather, before the manufacturer don't start, we don't suffer. Forget. More share, may they first give us small thing. Even though they say, okay, they no want share am. If na borrow, may they borrow one. We want do business. The money no they go round. You know, you go see hustle here. You will still buy things, go house, they'll frustrate you. Forget. You think say easy. Before show what enter, they can't change all those plans. Go take another 1 year. We don't need that. We need action. Forget. We need our helmet color again. We need our year money first. We need our see my grandpapa. I don't know where for come before. But me, I don't know. Ologbo. Ologbo. Let my papa will come. 49 year where. Obagye to now oye way. I don't know that Obagye. I'll go find now. Oruhe to oye way. Obayato to oye way. They'll share money. 52 together. They'll share out. I don't know this Ologbo. Na my papa village. I don't know where my papa for come before. But this one, me don't know. 49 years way. Now there my papa for come. I'll go find my papa land where I'll go reclaim again. I'll buy am. I'll go and buy land at this village. 49 years way. My brother, I forget to. I don't dare how they look people face. I talk my own. My own na the issue of giving us our right, give us our money. Me, I know they cry for our soldier because our soldier and police know what to do. Very easy. Carry that gun where they give you instead of sending you to Sabisa Forest. Una gather together one night. Now so now they go. Carry the gun face Aso Rock whether they know check plan. I beg you. Although it's not easy, but they'll plan now. The reason when I said Nigeria government share this money because our people is not good. We are just saying government, not only the government bad. No, all of us bad. All of us native by right or by way. All of us native. Our common people, our common Nigeria people, they don't want this to be good because you know why? If they favor them. If they favor them, now when you know they favor them, they'll come they shout, "Hey, Wario!" Oh, see, Bajo, we don't need 10,000 naira. We need 30 million. We don't need to. Oh, see, Bajo, no worry, you'll see this video later. Me, I know where I'll send and go. 30 million now we need each people. We don't need. Even if we don't want to share come out there, people they come, we go share them. And if new people come, me, I'll they sing for their ear. They go share this money. We not get choice. They not get choice again. Una no see primary school where be say people is sit down for ground. Country where get me I call like again. Some people just come, just join us. Wait, may I drink coffee? Some of my new method new formation seeker, they just come. Ologbo 49 Oyewe. Obagye na Oyewe. Ologbo na my baba for come. Oruhe 2 Oyewe. Obanyato 2. Together, total 62. Nigeria government, muna share our money first. We will build Nigeria together. My brothers and sisters, let me tell you the secret. Work for a year. If you now want to do meeting, they'll ask you your own opinion. What is your own thought? More now they clap, follow, don't win. Enough is enough. Now we take do go back. Oh no, the one way we did so. If Oshowore go there, Mona tell us say, may they give us our share. We'll build Nigeria together. I mean, Nigeria na one person. No. Now that would be our mistake. If all of us sit down for here, for meeting, you don't know be chef. Now the truth. You don't know who is chef. You don't know. All of them sit down, so they drink coffee, they talk, blah, 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 but you don't know who is chef. So Mona stop that issue of clapping for one person. Enough is enough. I'm not against them. You say what thing? 180, 50. How many? Let me see. 180. I don't understand. 180 can. And 150, how many is missing? I don't know. How many missing? 30 they miss now. 30 go come out. My brother, they'll give us our share. Anybody will enter, we don't want here anymore. We don't. Not many people don't die. Forget. They'll give us our share. Even though it will be 200 million. Even though it will be 150. Even though it will be 10 million. If Ansa said they need like Edo people, they'll give them. If me, I sure that time Edo we need them. Igbo people say they need Brafa. May they give us what we want. We don't need anything else. We need, for now, we dey seek for our own issue. For now, we are seeking for our own right. You don't tell where they carry our money. Now, if you not see as they use less on our money, now ask for una share. These people will still get money. Where? If you not see how much they collect for their share during Jonathan time. If you not see how much they collect for Nigeria share, we will not say we stupid. Not be that, we stupid. No way they get money. 50 years generation, their money not they finish. Not the truth. How many of you where they now only one city, I be 2 city. Now they get your where? Now they get them. We get for just only those states. We get 62 altogether. We know they ask for our share. We know they know how they take the waka. You see there's some idiot people come they tell me say I lost Lole or Beluwa. Hey, let's go kill now. This one. This issue, so we don't want. If you like, you go school. You know, it's not our business. If you like, get knowledge. You know, concern also. As far as I dey waka, you dey waka. We are the same. You know better pass me. I know better pass you. Just take her like that. This our own issue, so we don't want knowledge. We don't want hear knowledge issue. We know you know if we hear big grammar. Never. You don't want to hear. You don't tell when they speak the big grammar. You know help us. Tell they come, they speak only our language. It's the truth. I don't know. Hey, my brother, I don't know if they ask good question. Now, we need to know who they control. My brother, as he be say, listen, as he be say, who they control the oil where, it still concern Nigeria. The money is still going to Abuja. You don't know. You don't know Nigeria now. Like just like not be data money that they use for all Nigeria. Now that they use. The money is still be controlled by Nigeria government. It's still going to Abuja, oh. My brother, it's the truth, oh. Now the truth. It's still going to Nigeria. It's still going to Abuja. So that's why I'm singing Nigeria government. Not be one person. All Nigeria. We need our share. Not be only Edo State. Not be only Edo State. All this oil where so. All of them, they will come and give answer in Abuja. Is that place that they say, okay, see I want use and say I will come share between themselves. It's be controlled by Abuja. Then, you know, the total people for Edo State, now then go take the BB share. That's the truth. Now then go take the BB share. But it's be controlled, this oil way is controlled by Abuja. As far as Abuja is the capital of Nigeria, and we are from Nigeria. This word is going to Abuja, my dear. Like here now, the city where I live. Now Oslo they control now. Now there all the money they go. Now from there they'll draw the map. How they want use the money. Now the truth. My brother, I want call like girl. Some of my important people where they give me information that they here. My brothers and sisters, my topic today, Nigeria government, don't change it. We have to share this money. Thank you, man. Mother, bring it here. Where's saving me? Good boy. Oh, yeah, go and play. Go. TV. Tell Anya to put TV for you. No, not there. Yeah, I'm using it now. I'm using this one. I'm using it, my dear. Ogone. No, this one is not working. No charger, no battery. Tell Anya to put for you. Okay? Good boy. Go and tell Anya to put for you. No, it's not working. It's not working. Yeah, it's not working. Oh yeah, go and tell Anya. Annie, push your TV for him. Come and look me. Push your TV. Wait, let me give you now. Go and give Anya. Anya? Anya? Can you use this one first? Annie? Can you use this first? Okay? It's only 9 o'clock. I'm busy. I'm sorry, my people. You know, children first in this country is good, though. It's good because now made them know they are right. My brothers and sisters, oh, people that just coming. Good morning, my brothers and sisters. One love, one love. So the new information I've get, my good brothers, they send me some information. It'll be me, oh, na feel say na me, I don't get time. So some of reliable source, my lovely brothers. So Ologbo. I come from, my grandfather is from there. Ologbo. My grandfather is Pikin first, my brother. Pikin first for this country. If you not take off your Pikin, these people, if you say they get money pass out, because they follow you, they drag her. Now, like, no matter. Pikin first take off your Pikin. You see, are you good though? My brother, in a way, good though. Now I can't they join them. Because if Nigeria people, they take care of Pikin, like government, they take care of Pikin, they hold Pikin well. I'm not sure say for the suffer. If we say, come and go to abroad, say, no, I don't want to go. I want only to go there and visit and come back. I say, cause it's for a circle. So, my brother, let me say it again. You see, my people don't go. May I call the other way, no matter if not 2 people, they here. Ologbo, now there my papa for come. I'll go find her. 49 oye we. Obagye na. Oruhe 2. Obanyato 2. Together 62. Total 60. Nigeria government share now our own, now our money. Share. We don't want again. We don't want story. No. Anybody that want to go to the government, I know anybody may not go. Individual, let me I talk to. May they share money because they will be there they will not want to help the poor people. Then when they say the thing no dey work for them, they will not be crying up and down, be saying, hey Nigeria, oh, Buhari, oh. But na lie, not be only Buhari spoil Nigeria, all of them. So my brothers and sisters, some people are saying, Oshowore enter go prison. If you go prison, wetin you wan give us? You wan go prison make come better our life, or make come change anything for our life? No, you want to go there and relax. You know, wait family dey enjoy for outside. So he want to go there and relax because he don't do. You understand? Now know how many words they don't hide wey we no know. So no need make they all bring the money come out. Both the pastors, both the normal people, make they bring the money. Make we just share am. If we share am, then we will not. Yes, so they must share, my brother. So if they bring the money come out, my brother, if they don't share am, everybody go fix your community. So you cannot stay there and say, I will manufacture Nigeria. How? Who want to manufacture Nigeria? One person? It no work, my dear. It no work. You there, Abuja. Person where you give contract, e dey Ologbo. This name now Ologbo. That be my papa village. Person where you give contract to, e dey Ologbo. So how you tell no what you do? How you not tell no? So you see, go hard. Make the share am. We will develop our place. We will by ourselves build school. Now our children won't go to school. Then the rich people, the government, their children is going to private. We are seeing it now. All of them now. They come out. They can pay. Their papa don't hold. Now their children they come out. Now their children they can pay now. They want to be the government. But may I ask you a question? Una poor people children, pa for Oshowore, una dey forbid to be governor or not to be president. Why they jeva? Why jeva nyave wa? So all these rich women or rich men children, where they come out say, hey, I want to be president. I'm good. I have feelings for human being. Hey. When you dey sit down for play, they do phone like this. Do you have feelings for human being? No. Na lie. All of una na thief. So we not get good governor, good government. So what we are going to do now, you people, let's share the money first. Everybody will go and build their own community. We'll go develop our own community ourselves. Not now develop for us. Nigeria government, I don't know what they want. You will still do business, they'll frustrate you. You want to open company, they will demand for big money. They want to frustrate you. It's only the big pastor and the government and the big people that's benefiting for the Nigeria issue. So since now we never wake up, now we don't wake up. We need our share. It's not hard. We need our share. We want to have our own share. Our people where they carry container go Nigeria, fear they let the rich be near again. Because government, Nigeria government go pack some set of people wait for them for Oluku. When they reach Oluku, they go bribe. So they even all the container money you finish. Then they will not come and be tell this story. People that give their business here, they will come and be telling their story. People money will fall for their head. They need to pay debt. Person. No worry. That one will talk for itself. Who they collect the money or who they collect the oil is not our business. Our business is that we need share. We want to fix it together. It's the truth. Now, yeah, now I don't stay with they talk about first hole. No worry. My data people, I trust them now. I trust them. They will give me information. All those one, they computerize. Bayelsa people, I know some more. I know few. All those one, they be tea for their heads. They computerize. As my brother they talk, Bayelsa, they no book where some of them, the young youth, they no book. If you dey here, no, you do like this. They see your card, don't fit if you. All those one. No worry, I will contact them. I have them a lot. I will contact them and say, oh yeah, we have your information. I'm gonna bring information. How many of you were did that side? But don't worry. They all those one, they computerize. They go school. Few where I know they computerize. They know something. So mother, no worry. They go come. So now do me they talk so. Edo State hey. My people, for some of my people, not be all of us no go school. Some of my people, they go school. If you see the note, Ifu, but now only the place now if you pick come out because now if you read her, they computerize. Wait, Oba Yato, Oba Yato, hey, 2 year way. Me for up, down, read down, go up. Oruhe tu. Hey, Jerry. Oju wahi ye Nigeria. Ole. So these people, these people now where they collect our money, they say their children better pass me. Don't suffer. My enemy don't suffer, not be me. So they feel now say their children better pass me, abi? Because they can't go school for abroad. Now the school me they go, so all of us they go at the same. It doesn't matter when who finish first. We are coming. We go reach there. We go reach there. We they come for road. Oba gie nah. My people. Nigeria government. We need share. We need our money. We need not be. We are not joking. Time we come. Go and mark my word. You will know that my people are not joking. You cannot kill all of them. It's the truth. So, if you jail anybody now for that, Nigeria, it's not bringing our dead people back. It's not bringing us back. It's not going to do us any favor. As everything all day, so everybody corrupt. No, share our money. 30 million. If you not give us for hand, say, according to one of my brother will be professor. He said we'll go pollute the system. No problem. Me tell now. Abroad they share money. Me tell now. As abroad they share money. If you are not working, if you are not working, you are under commune. You get 1,500 euro or 1,2. Because every 2 weeks they pay. You get 6,000 for these 2 weeks, 6,000 for the other 2 weeks. Is that not 1,2? 1,2. Whether they pay their soul, maybe they'll pay her so inside 700. Pay electricity, buy food. At least you still get 100 euro. You know, just broke finish. Abi. So it's the same. If our Nigeria government pull 30 million naira to so just say okay, everybody they have to know our name, our data. To change Nigeria is very easy now. They know what change and they know what they are doing. They have to collect everybody's name, their data, create one number, one special number where people say now your number as they do here. If the number enter system, they'll see no say now your own. Create the number and tell them that okay, every month you'll be getting so money until you are stable in your job. It's very easy. But we don't ask, they will not do. That's the truth. When I see the estate where Okorosha built, Oshomole built. If another person still they go there tomorrow, expect say that one go still build the one will pass that one and competition. That's the truth. So individual, na be the Nigeria. We all are bad. We have different thoughts. You understand? The one wey dey pay me for inside, wey be say some people they want come power, they come become good. No. Una dey fool. I fool na self na be me. Muna share this money. Not be for one person, na for all of us. Before we don't know, say we get, oh yeah, we even big pass these people own. These people who don't call it talk. When they will make a or I can make a I will tell them say our monoba will come here. May they stop their nonsense. So thank God say me and they don't get business again. But if you get again, I will tell them if you don't want to leave me, you see my chief or my king. It's not that. I'll bring our monoba, I go come talk to them. May they leave me for waste over here. I get good papa where they ask. Now people we don't know their self, maybe they don't know say they get right. Neither they use. Not be me Me why I don't know my right. I know my right, so that is why I don't do bad thing. I dey do bad, small bad, not be that bad thing where be say if police catch you, you know if you talk. No, police catch me, I know my right. What did I do? I'll fair ask him. My people, may I tell you one story. When I dey inside war that time for Switzerland, where their police carry me for street, say because I come pass this street, I get my paper. You understand? When I ask the police woman, say, what I do now? He say, you don't need to be in this street. I'm doing my job. Those people, now this our way, me I call like gay. Ologbo 49. All this our money, now they take build their country. Cause they tell me, say I'm doing my job. They can't tell me say I'm doing my job again. I'll turn and say, no, not they do it well. If you not they do it well, now for not they thief our money. See our money. Jesus. My head is big. My people. My papa, they not just try at all. They not try. We get all these things. My papa, they keep quiet. Nigeria government. Me, I know they keep quiet. Some of my friends say I fool myself good. Now I just they do so. Me, I don't hear all this formation. Nigeria government they must share money. I know they keep quiet too. If una feel say me go keep quiet, me, keep quiet. I don't start and I'll finish am. If una share money, I'll close Facebook. I won't get tired do ya. I want to go learn. Okay? If una not share am, we are coming. We are coming. We will not campaign to be that or top. We'll go share the money for our people. It's true. It's going to happen. Yes, my people. It's going to happen. Not be waiting will not happen by grace of God. We know that we not see. We take this life. Will they see them? Will they do what you want to do? Or the ground work? Everything. But first of all, my people, we'll go help people where they prison first to. Move start for there. You understand? So, my brothers and sisters, we get oil where hate. No, nah, for Obagie, if you are for Obagie village, if you are just joining me, we get nah oil where from Obagie village. If you are just joining me, nah oil where Obagie, Ologbo 49. Now there my papa come from. Hey, Oruhe 2. Obanya 2. Together 62. If I need me now, I will Ologbo. Now there my papa come from. Hey, me I want go receive my papa land where they don't buy for our hand. I want go receive am back for this Ologbo. They use na single. Now when me for believe say na true. Osamore use this. I be not be Osamore. Ologbo shere. I go further music. My people. My beautiful people. They use this Ologbo tesik. Ologbo shere. I'll go and find that cassette. I'll go and play that music. I will play it, I play it, I play it, I play it, and we see the meaning of that music. You understand? Because it good move they go back to our history. Oh. Hey, look, bo. Be like saying I dem my papa for come. Oh. I don't know my papa village, but I'll go history. I'll go ask my papa sister. So where una for come? Where una may land dey? Na logbo, na me they talk and na logbo for come. My brothers and sisters, these people, they call us Mugu for years. 1979. I was not even born when they start to use our papa. They start to use all of us. They start to use all. Nigeria people now wicked, sharp. Nigeria government, all of us go die. Now the sweet thing be that. People will know that time of my papa, they die today. It's the truth. So all of us go there. Now the truth. Anybody will not die that time when my papa to die. The son don't die today. Now so nowhere. We know they carry this life go anywhere. So we have to get that. We have to know that we are not taking this life to anywhere. So Nigeria government, you people will live where? You will not want us to live where? And the Nigeria pastor that is saying heaven, una don't go there. Una don't see him. We never see heaven now. We will live where for earth. Before we can't go they live, we can't go the fair heaven they go. They all use religion, fear, everything. My brother, I'll go church. I don't repent, but I never repent. Finish. Oh. My brother said I be one believer. Now I be. I know the hard one. Now I be. But the real unbeliever, they are there. You understand? They are there. Nobody is saying anything about it. You dey life. You don't see so that they wash your head. Down our life. Or you dey like not see Gary drink. Down our life. No. So my brothers and sisters, they need to help us beg Nigeria government. No, Nigeria government. Me, I know they beg. Na my right. Ologbo 49 year way. Obagie, Obagie na. Oruhe 2. Obanyato 2. Together 62. I know they beg on. Mona give us our share. We need 30 million by January. We don't want to suffer again. We don't try. We want to develop our community by ourselves. Ologbo people. Una no fit go build house for Ologbo. Now see what una get una get gold. Good. You people are going to Benin and build the house. If not me, I'll build house for this. Me, I don't over. Me, I park up for there. Me, I want to go find land there. Me, I'll call my reliable source people. Help me to look for land before next year, half of next year. I will save my money and go and buy land there. This Ologbo. Me, I jivaira me wanyo carry. Me, I'll go there. 49. Oh, wait, who is not getting all this money? The author people. You see? My people, the one way they Shanla, we don't know. The one way they Sako, we don't know. Now because say me a phone call for Benin. Now I tell no 62. Maybe if we don't see there. If we don't they go far, we'll call it no more. God go bless my brothers and sisters. Oh, God go bless us. Oh, God go 62 year way. 62 year way. 62. Man, our people will die forever. No, na so rest in peace. Una children go enjoy. Una no worry. Una sacrifice for una children. The one way they get children inside you. The one way not still get. Una no worry. Na family go enjoy. I will come here find paper. The one way get children, una family go enjoy. The one way not get, una family here. So thank you, my brother. God bless you, my brother. God will bless you. So, Brother Stanley, God bless you. Me, I know stop, my people. Hey, Nigeria government, I no worry. I know stop. If not, it take una, yes. This money will share and will buy ourselves, build our community. We don't do that one again. What they promise? They promise us everything. No, we'll feel. I get idea for here. Small life what I don't get for Europe. I have a big idea on my head. You understand? Give it to contractor, do one like this, do one like that, do one like this, build the school like this, the school have to build like, we'll do one. We'll renovate our community, more than rest. We'll do about ourselves. My papa come for Ologbo. Papa come for Ologbo. My dear. Ologbo now for come. Now my papa, I don't know my papa village before, but now I don't know an Ologbo. My brothers and sisters, now well done as una take look me. God go bless all of you now. So my brothers and sisters, money now be everything. After good health, now me the talker. After good health, now money. If you not get money, you cannot do anything. Big bros, bigger bros, good money. You just join me, bigger bros. The topic today now, Nigeria government not change. Nigeria government give us our share. We need 30 million naira from January. Bigger bros. Our oil well is 9. I said no, 62. May I call him again? I say I'll call him 100 times. Ologbo 49. Obagie 9. Oruhe 2. Obayato 2. Together 62. My brothers and sisters, una thank you. We dey push and they go small. We dey here. So even my own city, Edo State, is richer than this place. They will talk to me anyhow because we not get her here. We miss him. We something miss on all. We Africa people something miss from us. Yes, it's the truth. But by that, they not find me. Oh, now me find them. That make me sometimes still cool down. They say make care, you know. They not find me. I find them. So by that, I get the right to say shh. I not talk. So that is it for today, my brothers and sisters. So that make I repent today. May I visit church. They say I be unbeliever. So I don't be unbeliever. I be good girl. I'm a child of God. I dey go church, but I dey go where before. But now I need to follow God will. I need to follow God way. Not be say only church just dey go. No, you want it. Because why? Adeboye is our own problem. Adeboye is number one problem in Nigeria. If that man can turn around and say, Nigeria people, all my wealth, me I share am. Now come to tell me wetin happen for Nigeria year time. So my brothers and sisters, the money be everything. Money. People say I like money. I like how if you not get money, what you do? Nothing. I like money. So my people, make I play good money music for now. I like that money. My money music. I love that music. But I get a lot of music, but I love that one. Now money be everything. Money, it's too sweet. If not be money, we don't sit down for Nigeria. Sit down for Africa now. Anything where we see the manage. It's because of the money. That is why. And because of the money, we know we dey suffer. So that now money we dey look for. Our money music. My brothers and sisters, some people that is rubbing their mouth, calling us name. Never call result. The way they call them na result. That day, go. That day, you go to I play my good musician music. Musician music. Oh. Nigeria government share money. Na my own concern and share. I can pay for any party, I trust nobody. I trust only myself. Even myself, I may not trust Abby? My papa, my brother, my papa village na Lopo. Eh? They will share money. On my face. After picking, waiting they follow. And money. Eh? My people, one love. Oh, share money. Now me talk calm. Now see oh, see Bajan, not be 10,000. 30 million, give them. Not be your own. Only. Una no money, una no get wetin una dey use am do. Why una dey fight for the power? Why are you people fighting to go there? Oh, not gonna get money, wanna share am. Nigeria people, wanna share am. I know the reason. Wanna invite me and ask me the reason why I say they should share money. I will tell you guys everything. I will list it from number 1 to number 100. I will list them for now. They share money here, I don't know. But I know they accuse me again, say they don't share money. I go share them. Oh? Work, they don't defend for now. They know they help now for school. School fees, they know they hard. But if their children want to go to school, I say they go abroad. They say their children that they can pay, they want to enter power. Rich men, what you not see? Why money not they rich you now? Why? Greedy people. My brothers and sisters, our number one problem is greed. It's greed, not change government, oh, not greed. Not greed. Not greed. Money not be enjoyment. Money not. Listen, my brother, you don't know what it is. I beg you, if you fell love, now money they follow. Oh? Without love, money not they work. After money, now if you get love, now money. If you get love, you don't get money. That love will scatter. Believe me, now the truth. Money na number 1, my brothers and sisters. We know say money not be everything. At least, no but you see they okay. For abroad here, you see say people they too rich. No, the country when they don't want even rich. They want work for government, but they are okay. The thing they go where. If you get children, you know your work they give you stress. Say you know if you take off your children, here when you total while say me sit down for us. Which one Nigeria they do? Nothing. Now see, when I they talk say money not be money now. Money decide, money be stemmer. Let me talk. Eh? Money na everything, oh. Money na all, money rest. For years, money not be all because the assistant don't balance. Nigeria, Igbo Emiya. When I tell them, they give you now money, and I get them. Not be they get them, not be their children get them. It's not made for one person or two people. is made for all the citizens. Citizens have to benefit for the wealth because God has blessed us. God don't give us mineral resources. Not only oil, we have a lot. So ask for your money. Don't come here and tell me say money not be joy. We know money is not everything, but in a way, if you have a love, you don't have money. That love will scatter. Let me tell you. Money not everything, oh my brother. Not talking. They don't suffer us. We don't want too much. We just want to be okay. Our people they suffer. I go Nigeria. People they say, if they want cook soup, laga. When I eat this one, I say, hey, they mileage. Rich men picky they mileage. If they want to buy something, they'll buy cash. They are using you people. You are telling me money. Money is poor. Oh? This man, we need to celebrate this man once in a year. I just want to be musician. Oh? What do you want? Money na everything. Our government give us our money. Free us. We are calling for freedom. We want to use our money by ourselves. We want to know how our money is going. We don't know anything. 62 a year, where is it? Where is for this years, all these years? Where is the money is going? Abuja. If you reach Abuja, they'll share them. And you see, they are debating 30,000. 30,000 naira said they don't even agree. They say too big. You see, we don't wake up. We need to get them. 30 million naira each. Our mama will suffer. Like my past sister, he worked for specialists for years, collecting 20 or 18,000 naira. It's nonsense. Thank God say I come abroad though. Thank God. He go trek from Murobi, go specially every day. Nigeria government na wicked, sha. You people are wicked. We don't wake up. We now give us our share. We don't want again. Oh, we educate or go our own. Go our own. Wanna give us our share. We ready to come out. I don't want come out. We don't want Nigeria again. So now don't give us our money, eh? I don't state we want come out. We don't want Nigeria again. We want come out. People want Biafra. We want to rule our own team. We want come out. We don't want any Nigeria again. The cheating is too much. See, but just call the share 30,000. What is 30,000? One rich people to do? I bet Mona own a peace, oh Nigeria people. Mona own a peace. Mona own a peace. We don't want wuru anymore. We want to come to power and know anybody. When they give us our share now, I want 30 million. I know what I'm talking about. Because our people, we need to get it right. Nobody will be like Jesus Christ. They don't reach there and allow. They can't still use another. If they can't use our children again, no, it will not work. My pa not talk now. But it's good. My past spirit now, that my body now. My past spirit they talk, so it's the same, dear. So my brothers and sisters, I have to talk. I will not stop. We must share our money. Now our money, oh, Morocco dey there, oh, red oil dey there. Our good soil dey there. Our cassava they go use the kanda for US. Hey, people, what are you people doing? What are you doing? What are you saying? Eh? We need to get our shell. Enough is enough. We don't wake up. Oh, bad Ologbo. 49 Oyewe. Ha. Obagie 9. Oruhe 2. Obanyato 2. We need our share. Okay, we don't want for again. Mona not build school, Mona not build hospital. We'll do one. The one will not build, will not fit go. Our people they die every day. They can't go there. Mona give us our money. We will do it ourselves. Yes. We will find each community. They will do meeting and they will fix their thing. You understand? They will fix their thing. You understand? Yeah, we are. Yeah, they say they tell a story. Hey. When I give us our money, we'll use them by ourselves. Oh? But you give money, man, out of man way. Nati say they'll come for Abuja, they'll come better on our children like not left. We'll do about ourselves. We'll do about ourselves. More fishing. More fishing. More fishing. And I find my boy. Now you office your life. Nobody officer for you. My people. Now you go fix your life. Nobody go fix am. Now you go fix your life. If you don't fix your life, you wait for people to fix it. You just dead there. Don't waste your time. You fix your life. Oh? Fix your life by yourself. No, not me. No, nothing. That is that. Well, what's up? We are going to church too. Anyone, we'll go to many church. You go to Bible when? Oh yeah. Go and wash your teeth first. Go and wash shower. Oh? Why is that? Now we go fix our land. Now we go fix our teeth by ourselves. No government go do one, but not be their children. Hey, my baby is dancing. Abby, give them. Oh, even. Oh, what day? Hey, I'm with it. Give them. Our Oyewe is 62. Edo people. Let me call it again. Oyewe 62. Ologbo 49. Obagie 9. Oyewe. Oruhe 2. Obanyato 2. Total is 62. We dey suffer for abroad. No go out for our share. 30 million. Oh? Eh? Our Oyewe 62. Eh? No. Hey, Agbon. Iyawe gbegbe. Abi? Our Oyewe na 62 for Benin, for Edo State. We still defend how they come. We never see him. Not be me that crowd, see him. See him, I'm gonna read down by myself. Total 62. Oh, you may come there outside down. Oh, yeah, me. Maybe this. 62 Oyewe, see him. 62. 62. Not be me talking out. Now my people find out. Hey, Nigeria government 30 million for our account. Oh. Eh? Nigeria government 30 million for our account. Hey. Never see anything. 1979. Now we don't dey suffer dey come. Our papa no talk. Our papa no talk. They suffer. We need 30 million by January. Hey. Abi? Yeah, mo. If I wish you wear shirt, I will show them. I will say my baby is dancing. Abi, baby, make. Olokbo Mariana. It's my father's place. Eh? We are going to Olokbo. We want to go and build house here. Hey, 49 Oyewe, Olokbo. 49 Oyewe if you are from Olokbo. 49 Oyewe from Olokbo. Obagie na if you are from Obagie village. Na Oyewe. Uruhe 2 Oyewe. Obayato 2 together 62. Oh, we never talk the one where we first get to. We never talk many things where we get to. Mona share video. I'll see you later anyway. Nigeria government share money 30 million for our accounts. We don't to suffer. Enough is enough. Mona not give me. Oh, people say I too lack money. But Mona not give me. Mona give my people 30 million for our account by January. No vote. Oh, Ebo ladies club even no. Ebo ladies club even no. Oh, my people for Edo State. They are the one that are making me to shout like this, so they find this information for me. Oh, Ebo ladies club even no. Oh. Abi. This man dey sing. NPC redo. Hey, no wonder we get NPC. Oh, Dogbe man, come and dance for my people. Dogbe. Iya wa go na la re Dogbe me anya mi me. La re dance for my people. Come and dance here. Iya ma we iya oya come and dance here. Come here. My baby is dancing for you guys. Eh? Ologbo 49 Obagie ne Oruhe 2 Obayato 2 62 together. We need money. Oh, hey, 30 million for our account by January. The one way that they get since we don't know where that they put them. Everywhere they are. Hey, oh come. Oh, my people will see this. My people, my baby is giving me here. Oh, I'm burying my mother. I want to go to Olokbo 49 year where my 49. My brothers, God will bless you guys. Inform me more. Inform me. While Latina was here, I will come out. 30 million naira for our account. debate 30,000 naira to pay workers. 800,000 when we have a lot of money. Mona shower money. Enough is enough for wagae. 30 million. 30 million. Oh, million. I don't write. I know how to write million. Here we debate 30,000 naira for salary, not 100,000. 20,000. Nigeria people, we don't finish, but we never finish. We don't wake up. More tell them say we need money. We need our share. Where's the mommy? Ologbo 49. Obagie ne oyewe. Oruhe 2. Obayato 2. My people. Together 62. Hey. 62. Nigeria government. Nigeria president, una no share the money. Say na only vote. Na they'll take share that money. Me, I'll become president. Hey. I'll become president. Go and share that money. Hey. Oh? I will change to president. I will campaign. I will become president. I will go and share that money for my people. Because Wama water, you people are beating it. So there's no need. You have to share it. My people. Wawe say 10:30. Wawe say that maybe Sabade Bama. Na do well. We have to share our money, my brothers and sisters. We must share. Oh, Bagie. Now yewe. Ologbo 49. Oruhe 2. Obayato 2. Together 62. My brothers, bring more. They go share them. They don't get choice. You have a choice. They will share this money. Now me and them. Yeah, guy. My sweet brothers and sisters. Yeah, guy. Go now, yeah, guy. Thank you, my brother. Rastali, thank you everybody. Thank you. Then yeah, guy. Go now. Now me talk. They will share. For years we have been suffering. Our people are die for see. What did I do? Vice president Pikin not do am. Come here, they call us name me. We will tell us say that illiterate will use and put things for our heads. No know what. We know knowledge, no problem. We are the choosing one. So as we be choosing one, now we God go use. They tell us say, see what he did. So now share our money. We lost knowledge, no problem. They lost knowledge, not be we. Because God don't give me knowledge before today. We go put that knowledge for our head. All those university illiterate, when they write me, they tell me, say, they lost knowledge. Not be me, they lost knowledge. It's not me. Anybody where the Nigeria government send come, I'll still curse you. You go tell them waiting I talk or waiting you see for my platform or for my telephone. You still go tell them say what you see. They'll share them. I'll get it to no excuse. My people, now see say una governor waiting they call am Godwin. He don't they give our people now, come and learn work, come and do this, they will be pay you. No, Mona not do that one. Mona share them. I told na say una here, una deaf to one year ho. Ma ki enwa. If you ware webo, if you ma suffer. I see anything. We just start. It's the beginning. My brothers and sister, Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good day. Happy Sunday. Bye bye. We see you next Sunday by the grace of God. Thank you.